Welcome back to our channel. Today we will touch on an interesting behavior of birds, which is reusing nutritious snacks. Let's start. In the first few days after hatching, the digestive system of young birds is rather inefficient. Partly because they haven't ingested many of the bacteria necessary to complete the digestive process. So, with only partial digestion of the food, it would be a waste for mom or dad to discard those nutrients in that membranous packaging. This is particularly pronounced in nature because parents are so busy finding soft enough food for their offspring that they don't have much time to feed themselves. Some birds have developed a more efficient method of dealing with fecal sacs. They swallow them. Why? The best assumption is that birds eat fecal sacs because the nestlings can't fully digest the food they eat. These sacs still contain energy and nutrients. Now, some adult birds consume sacs throughout the entire nesting period, but others only do so while the chicks are young, up to 7 days, which could be related to the lack of nutrients in the older chick's sac. After the 7th day of the chicks, the digestive tract becomes more efficient, leaving less potentially usable material in the feces. And if all that isn't enough, this behavior could serve another purpose. Fecal sacs inside the nest could attract predators, but by consuming them, the nest remains concealed. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Leave us a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us for more interesting content. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.